I really would like to thank everyone for, accepting me to perform in this stage. In front of you, I can really feel the support, the never-ending love, and I'm really happy right now. This is the last show, and still I'm very nervous standing here in front of you. And last 2 weeks, I have this very wonderful opportunity to perform with Sir David Foster.
All by myself!
I don't know what to say.
We're so proud of you!
I'm very overwhelmed with all the support, not only by the fans, but also with the Filipino community. Thank you so much for appreciating my talent. I really love you guys.
All by myself!
And what?
Sample!
Sample?
Yes!
All by myself?
Yes!
Of course, this is the last show, so dapat okay lang ba? Gusto nyo?
Full song!
Okay, hinga lang ako. Okay, sample lang daw po natin. Okay po, sige po. Try po natin ha, try po natin. Yes po Lord, last na po to Lord, last na to Lord. Bigay niyo po sa akin to Lord. Okay. Grabe ka din, kuya eh.
Wala tayong tulog. Hindi, marami kang tulog eh. Alam niyo, ako naiingit ako dito kay Stel eh. Masa to eh, masa. Masa dahil tulog. Kung pwede lang akong humingi ng kahit na konting tulog sa kanya, gagawin ko. Grabe ka.
Thank you, kuya.
You know what, bro? It's really a blessing that you are part of this concert tour. Talagang...
You are a blessing for me, kuya.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyo guys na napakabait mo itong si Stel. Talaga, napakagaan ka trabaho. Yung mga sumusuporta po sa kanya, I just wanna say na hindi po kayo nagkamali ng iniidolong singer. And I know and I believe that you will go to places even more.
Thank you, kuya.
Just keep your feet on the ground palagi. Yes, stay humble and always continue to love the people who truly love you.
Thank you, kuya. You know what, guys? Kuya Eric is very, very, very mabait din.
Really, huh?
Yeah. He's super bait. Like, tipong he will give us again to dance today.
Ilan mo na kakatine eh? Hindi pa ba enough yun?
Hindi kasi nag-sample ako, so dapat mag-sample ka din. Everyone! Gento!
Siyempre, I can't say no, di ba?
Kuya Eric, this is the right time to do this.
Ano nga, Eminem? Ano paano?
Parang kagabi nagpa-practice kita. Di ba practice is this last?
Matagal na kasing wala, kaya nakalimutan ko na. Joke na.
Kaya.
Ilan mga bata dito? Okay.
Okay. Gento, pwede po tayo mag-gento? Oh, everyone! Eric Santos, everyone! Mag-gento po siya, ready?
Okay, laki na.
Ready. Sigawan na ng Eric Santos! 1, 2, 3, let's go!
Isa
Yan!
Gusto ko sa'yo yung dito ko natututunan sa'yo.
Mas marami akong natutunan. Hindi mo lang alam.
Anyways, mga kaibigan, we would like to give you this very special number, a medley of some of my personal favorite songs from Broadway.